My name is Kasturi. I come from Assam. I've married a man from Kerala, and our connect, how it culminated into marriage is, our love for food and travel. I've been a foodie all my life, stew and the appam combination. So first, I'm going to take a pressure cooker, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now I'm going to add whole garam masala to it. While the flavors get into the mutton, I'm going to ground whole pepper and fennel seeds. So after 2 minutes, we'll just add, say, half cup of water, and we'll let this pressure cook for 4 whistles. I'm going to just prepare the garnish for the mutton stew. Shallow fry for around a minute or so till the kaju turns brown, and we are good to go. And now garnish with the previously fried onions and kaju. So here we are, ready with the mutton stew this time.